To start using SolidWorks, in this class we will learn a little about the interface and some fundamental options. Come on, let's go. Note the initial interface, where we have access to some menus, commands and panel, through which we can configure the settings of the software. We fix the menus through this button. In the File menu we can create, locate and open files, and we still have a list of files used recently. This list can also be accessed by typing the letter R of the keyboard. In the View menu we can define the toolboxes that will be visible in this initial interface, and other add-ins, such as the task pane. In the Tools menu we access the tools and clicking on Options a box opens, where we can modify various options of the program. For example, in the General tab, we can modify the language used for menus and features. In the Default Templates tab, we can define the location from which the templates will be accessed. In the Backup, Recover tab, we can set backup options by choosing a location to save the automatic copies, as well as the interval at which these copies will be saved. The settings made in System Options affect all SolidWorks files. Clicking on Reset, all modifications will be discarded and the default settings will be applied. We clicked Cancel. In the Help menu we have access to the help of the program, as well as tutorials, verification of updates, license and information of the installed version. The icons inserted in this bar can be changed, as we will see below in the course. They are important in that they provide quick access to the main functions of the software. Let's start a new part file by clicking on the new icon and choosing Part. Note that we now have access to many tools and a graphical interface for the development of the project. Also note that the task pane has some tabs. By clicking on one of them, the tab is extended and we have access to various features. We can pin it through this button. Using the File menu and the Open option, we open a file created in SolidWorks. Then, through the Window menu, we will rearrange the windows in order to show all the open files. We click on the Tile horizontally option and see that all open files are shown horizontally separated. We finished this lesson where we started using SolidWorks 2013, making the first settings, navigating through the menus and getting to know a little about the interface.